Google Gemini is taking the world by storm. But what is it? Is it just another chatbot? In this complete beginner guide, I will break it down in under 2 minutes. Gemini is a powerful AI assistant created by Google. Think of it as a super smart digital brain that can see, hear, read, and reason across the text, image, code, audio, and video. It's not just an upgrade to the old Google Assistant. It's a whole new level of AI that can build conversation, solve complex problems, and even help you create content. Why did Google launch it? To compete with ChatGPT and bring cutting-edge multi-modal AI directly into your Gmails, Docs, YouTube, and more. The world is moving fast, and Gemini puts Google best AI right in your pocket. Gemini didn't start with this name. In early 2023, Google launched Bard, an experimental chatbot. But after massive upgrades and the unification of all Google AI models, Bard was reborn as Gemini in February 2024. Now there are different versions. Gemini Nano, tiny, runs on your phone offline. Gemini Pro, the balanced everyday powerhouse. Gemini Ultra, the most advanced model, beating human on some tests. Under the hood, Gemini runs on what's called an LLM, a large language model, but unlikely older models. It's multimodal. That means it doesn't just read text. It understands images, codes, audio and video all at once. Is it free? Yes, the basic Gemini plans gives you solid performance and access to the web and app. But for power users, Gemini Advanced, part of the Google One AI Premium plan, unlock the Ultra 1.0 model. Faster response, priority access and deeper workspace. So that's your crash course on Google Gemini. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe and drop your biggest question in the comments. Bye.